Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to discuss what is difference between Microsoft CoPilot and Microsoft 365 Copilot. We think that both are same, but both are not same. Microsoft 365 Copilot is developed for Microsoft 365 applications, where Microsoft Copilot is base of all these applications. To understand this, you might have heard Microsoft already purchased OpenAI. OpenAI is parent company of ChatGPT. So after purchasing that, Microsoft developed a AI tool for its all applications, for its all business applications. So one Copilot Microsoft developed for Microsoft 365, and that is Microsoft 365 Copilot. Microsoft also developed a Copilot for Azure, and that is Azure Copilot. Microsoft also developed a Copilot for services, and that is Service Copilot. Microsoft also developed a AI for security, and that is Security Copilot. And why all these are different? Because Microsoft applications are different. Like Azure is totally different from Microsoft 365. To For the AI feature in Azure, you need different kind of model. For AI feature in Microsoft 365, you need different kind of model. For security, you need different kind of model. And that's why after purchasing OpenAI, Microsoft trained all these models according to their products. Microsoft also developed some AI tools for sales and services, and that is Dynamics product, Microsoft Dynamics 365 products. So now, if you are using Azure and you want to create some resources, you want to create a virtual machine or anything, you will just go in Azure Copilot and ask. It will tell you a step-by-step guide how you can set up all those resources in Azure. And if you are facing any issue, you will just put your error message, and based on your environment, it will tell you that how you can solve that. So that will work like a technical support team for you. If you are using Microsoft 365, it will be available in your Excel, it will be available in your Word, it will be available in your PowerPoint, it will be available in your Outlook. For example, let's take one example. You are communicating with your client on Outlook, and sometimes you will face some problem. Like client message you, the message is just take an example that you are communicating with your client and there is a conflict between you and your client. So AI will suggest that which kind of message you should write. Sometimes we write message based on our emotions, and that will not go good. So what you can do is AI will suggest you that, hey, this is your context, and based on that, you should write this kind of email, and that will help you to control your emotions and write what is effective in that particular situation. Sometimes, if you are not able to communicate well, you can use big clients, but these AI will help you to resolve your conflict, better negotiate with your client. AI will also help you in negotiation. So these AI tools are developed according to the Microsoft products. So whenever you are using sales, you will use sales AI. Whenever you are using security, let's take example of security. For example, you already have your infra in Azure, and right now it is not that much secure as it was, because hackers are using AI tools to hack the system. When it was done by humans, it might can they can't find the loopholes in your infra, but right now they are using AI can easily detect the loopholes in your infrastructure, and they can hack your system. And that's why it's very important to use Microsoft security AI and scan each and everything, find out all those loopholes and fix that. If you are not able to block, there is high chance that your system could be hacked. So that's why these AIs are available based on Microsoft products. Whatever product you are using, that AI you can utilize to get advice, to get help from Copilot. So how you can use Microsoft Copilot? Microsoft Copilot is totally free, but all other Copilots, what Microsoft develop for their products, those are not free. For example, if you are going to use Microsoft 365 Copilot, in that case, you have to pay around $30 per month per user, even though if you are an enterprise user, and only enterprise users can use it. So that's the restriction over there. But you can use Microsoft 365 Copilot totally free. Let me show you how you can do it. Here, you can see if you go on the site Microsoft ENUS Microsoft Copilot, this is the home page of Microsoft Copilot. Here, all the products what I discussed, you can see here. Copilot for Azure, Copilot for Microsoft 365, Microsoft Copilot for Sales, Microsoft Copilot for Services, Studio, and then Security. But freely this tool is freely available for each and everybody. What you can do is you just need to sign in. If you have any Microsoft account, you can sign in and use this Copilot in free. I already did that. Here you can see it is very similar to the chat GPT. Here you can go and ask anything. For example, I I write a business. So it will write a joke. So similarly, like if you are using chat gpt, same kind of prompts you will give here, and AI will give you answers. Even though here some suggested questions are also available, you can use to find more better answer out of whatever you asked. Like, can you tell me a joke about animals? So Microsoft suggesting you some other prompts which you can use. In case if you want to analyze some document, in that case better you can use Microsoft Edge, because in Microsoft Edge you can see here on right side you can see icon, and that is Copilot icon. So what you can do, if you want to analyze an article, you will open that article in Microsoft Edge, then you will click on this particular icon, and here you can write summarize this article. So it will give you summary. And based on that, it will also give you some questions which you can use to extract more information from this article. So you can see it's giving me answer based on the question I asked. Now you can see other questions are available which you can use to ask more and more questions. So if you have a lengthy document like 10 to 15 page document, more than 20, 25 page, 30-page document, you can open in Ace, and there you can get summary of your document. And the good part is it's totally free. Apart from that, like if you want to analyze any PDF or anything like that, you will go in downloads, open that particular PDF in Ace, and then again the same thing, you need to write summarize this document. Even though you can direct ask questions, so it will give you summary. Again, something you want, it is not just the summary, you want some more information, you can ask that kind of question. And the good part is you can like, dislike, you can copy the output, and you can also export in a format of Word or PDF or text. So that's the good part. You can easily do from here. You can see like some other questions it's suggesting me to ask. But if I want that, what are the 10 TCP points So it will give me 10 DCP points based on this document. So you can see it's explaining me based on the information available in this document. So this is how you can summarize, you can extract information from any document, from any article using Microsoft 365. So hope you understood the difference between Microsoft Copilot and Microsoft 365 Copilot and other Copilots available in Microsoft family. Don't misunderstood that what is Sales Copilot, what is Azure Copilot, and don't just and not just think that all these Copilots are same. Because if you are going to use Microsoft 365, you will use Microsoft 365 Copilot, and that is more trained for Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and Outlook. But if you are using Microsoft Azure Copilot, that is more trained how you can set up things, how you can set up resources in Azure. If you are using Security Copilot, it is more trained on what are the security points you need to take care of in your infrastructure. So that's the difference. So might be in some other video, I will explain all those other co-pilots as well. But today, it is just for Microsoft Copilot. Hope you will like my content. And if you think that this content is valuable for you, please like and subscribe my channel. So I can create this kind of video again and again so you can grow in your business. See you in next video. Till then, bye. This is Sandeep Mishra signing out.